It's time to eat our veggies. So do the veggie dance. It's time to eat our veggies. Eat 'em up while you have a chance. Now do the veggie dance.